Hey guys, welcome back. I actually want to show you guys my new palette that I got. It's actually been sitting here for about a week. I'm not filming with it yet. I have some content that I'm working on. This is the Norvina Face and Body. I actually already tried on one color. And of course it has a mirror. And then this is the color that I tried on right here. Nice, right? And it looks even deeper. Like in here, it looks, oh, I feel a little loose. Ooh. But I am loving that top row all across there. This is going to look really nice on the eye. This yellow is a must, okay? This yellow. And then D4. Ooh, B1 and C1. These two right here in this line. These are really, this is a good lineup. This is actually a good lineup. Like every day you can just say, okay, I'm going in with this line, or like I'm going in with this row. This here, what is this? This is E3. It looks kind of green. Let's try this one. Ooh. And then let's try this one, A4. This is a jumbo. It feels really nice and soft too. I'm excited about them. Okay, let me go get my my makeup wipes because I left my makeup wipes in the bathroom. Okay. All right, so I have these little cheap ones. They hyaluronic acid. Ooh, I love it. All right, guys, my battery is about to die, so I had to take care of it. And you guys, I kind of got you guys shifted off to the side. And my fan is going as usual. Okay, put my phone up here because I'm waiting on packages to come. Yeah, you guys, so I'm really loving the Norvina. The Norvina packages are really super expensive. And although I would love to get every single last palette that she has, but they're super expensive. And let's not lie, a lot of those colors are repetitive. But I just figured this is like one of her newest launches, so I just wanted to get it anyway, kind of being greedy. Really didn't need it, but at the same time, it does have a lot of beautiful colors in there and like some summertime fun colors. I think I actually filmed this in a vlog that I was getting the newest Forever Mood candles, okay, and I'm thinking that I ordered the newest collection, which is called Your Time to Shine, but I was mistaken. I actually got the Time to Get Lit set. I have Cuffing Season downstairs, okay, so it's in a different candle jar. So I called and they was like, oh, you should go exchange it at the other Sephora, but nobody else has the newest collection. It's like out of stock, and I was like, oh God. So they told me where I can go get it. And it was a lot further away from my house. It's not that far, but I really didn't feel like driving like 20 minutes or 30 minutes to go in there. So I ended up getting a notification from the Sephora app saying that something that you had your eye on is back in stock. They were like, oh, you can go and turn that one in. But I actually still like these. So I was like, I'm not turning these back in. I'm like, no, there's no way I'm giving back Forever Mood. Because some of these other ones I've wanted for a while too, and they're right in here. So I was like, I'm going to keep them. So yeah, okay, so here are the newest ones right here, and I cannot wait to get them. I ordered them today, and today is the 11th of April. It is Monday, and it's 2 o'clock. So I ordered them probably like around 11. That's when I got the notification. I was like, ooh, let me get into it. And so it said it will be here by the 25th. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick color Reason. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's this gray color, and when I wear this, I already know what look I'm going to do on the eyes. But I did this look a long time ago, and if I can find the picture, I'll put it up. But it was a similar tone to this, but it was a little more, even more cool tone and a little bit lighter. Okay. Well, then I also received this, and I don't know if I got this for free, but it is an eye primer, ABH primer. And then this is an oldie but goodie. Okay, I always buy oldie but goodies. And that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. And this is in the color Ebony. I did a drugstore video, this was a while ago, but I have a bunch of products that I bought. You guys actually saw me purchasing it in the store, but I forgot to actually come on here and like show you guys the product. This is the Nyx Wonder Stick, and it's a highlight and contour stick. And so this is in the color Deep. So this side is a highlighter. Okay, here is the deep color. Ooh, that's my color too. I like that. It's a little red though, it's a little red, but I still sometimes love to have like a red contour, really warm. I have my ultimate favorite drugstore lashes, Ardell Naked Lashes. I love these. I never used the 430s before, but let's open them up and really just get a real good look at them. See them? Look at them. They look really nice. I really like them. What is this one? This one is Wet n Wild Color Con Multi-Stick. Wet n Wild has definitely stepped their game up because look at how vibrant. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. You could probably use this for your lips. It's a multi-stick, so you can use this for your lips. You can use it on your eyes. Definitely can go. Wow, look how good. So I might use that for a drugstore look. And then this one right here, I know this is very bold and a lot of people get scared of colors like this, but this is also Wet n Wild, and it's Tangerine the Alarm. Look at it, it's so pretty. You can do a nice little brown, and even if you don't want to have a lip liner on, it's still okay. Okay, ooh. Has the lips on the side. Cute. I always rave about it, like them having skincare within beauty products. I was excited to see this. This is the Acne Fighting Putty Primer. So innovative, you know what I'm saying? So this is an Acne Fighting Putty Primer. Universal Sheer. I will be using that for my drugstore video as well. I love Patrick Ta's products. Ooh, look at that. I know you're gonna see my little messy vanity. Look how cute this is. Look how pretty. This is the type of color that I would love to have. Look how cute. It flips up so that the powder, the cream is covered, because it's so easy to like accidentally hit that cream. They give you a lot of samples. So this is just the It's Bye Bye Under Eye Cream, full coverage, anti-aging, waterproof concealer. Some other ones. This is the Glow Recipe. This is the Plump Hyaluronic Acid or Hyaluronic Serum for deep hydration and a glow. Yes, let's sit there right there. I'm gonna try that out tonight. And then this is the Valentino Donna Born in Rome. Let's try it out. Let's see how it smells. All right, let's spray the packet. Okay, while I open up the other packages, I'm going to sit it on my wrist, okay? And I'm going to see if this is a scent that I can see myself purchase. I'm going to let it hit the air, because right now it smells so good, okay? I'm definitely smelling like a vanilla. I'm definitely let's check out the notes. I'm smelling vanilla, definitely some jasmine, maybe. Definitely a floral scent in there. The top notes are black currant, pink pepper, oh, and bergamot, okay. And middle notes are jasmine sambac, which I'm not sure if I am pronouncing it correctly, and jasmine tea. And I was right about the vanilla. They have the base notes are bourbon vanilla, cashmere, and I hope I'm saying it right. It's guaiac wood. I feel like I'm gonna go and buy this right now. That's what I'm feeling. And this is the Patrick Ta. This is the Major Dimension Precision Gel Liner. Oh, you turn it from here. Ooh, and look at the point. Ooh, okay. Okay, Patrick, okay. The last but not least, I have the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions eyeshadow palette. Look how cute. I know you guys see everything on my desk. Please excuse it. It is in shambles, okay? But look at it. It's so cute. Of course, it has a mirror. Oh, bomb. Loving it. All right, so I ended up getting the Valentino. I just went on and bought it. And I really like the smell, so I ended up getting it. So I'm gonna finish up my TikTok since it actually came, and then I'll probably will post it in like a couple days after I edit it. All right, y'all, I'm looking a hot wreck right now. All right, we're making some Easter baskets for the girls. This one is from Ross. How much did I pay for this? I don't even have the price. Oh, I paid $5.99, and I bought this like way before Christmas. When I saw this, I was like, I have to get it. So nice. And this one has the Easter bunny ears. And then all this other stuff I got from Dollar General. Oh, Dollar General. I think I got some stuff from the Dollar. Yeah, I got some stuff from the Dollar Tree as well. Thought I would do better by making them myself, but I spent more money. But this is M&M's with the bunny ears. Everything is all themed. And then a keychain power bank. Keep the key and also wireless charger. The fake grass. I feel like I need more fake grass. And then I have hair bands for them. Where's the other one? Oh, it's the same. Oh, no. Kind of the same. I've got these for the baby girls. And then I'm still putting my heart stuff in there from the holiday. I mean, from Valentine's Day. I had these heart things for them, and I never put it into their little Valentine's Day bags. Always get them something for Valentine's Day, too. I'm rooting for you. Then they can just like have some fun activity as we cook for Easter. These are really cute with little scrunchies in them. I'm thinking about maybe I can just like put some extra candy in there, whatever is left over. I didn't get big bunnies these times, so I got a little lamb. What else did I get in here? A little cute little bunny. They like their stuffed animals too. And then some little, just a little bath sponge. And then some eggs. We're going to put some jelly beans in these. And some little candies and hide them around the house, too. I thought I got egg dye. I better look in my closet. Okay. And there's some more eggs to put into the Easter basket. But some of these we're going to put into the Easter basket. And then, like, some of them we're going to hide around the house. Outside in the backyard. So they can have a little Easter egg hunt. And then we're going to set up signs, like, you know, for them to know where to enter for it. And here goes some eye masks. And then I have another bath sponge. That's cute though. I think these are so cute for the girls. Where's the other one that I had? The pink one. So pink and purple. Pink and purple is very cute. And then I have another little cute little bunny. And, oh, some more grass. I was making sure I had enough. Yeah, these are very, very cute. More stuff. Too much stuff, actually. So we have the Krabby Patties. These are the last two out of Dollar General. I went back to Dollar General. So this is what I actually got today. We have some marshmallow dipped in decadent milk chocolate. You see the chocolate in there. And yes, I did eat one. We have some more chocolates. Oh, we have the Russell Stouffer's milk chocolate. Some cotton candy. Some cotton candy peeps. So they have a couple of those. And then some more little cute bunnies to put in there. I didn't get any big bunnies this year. So try to give them a few stuffed small ones. And then we have the cotton candy puffs. Everything is themed. The Reese's eggs. And then we have Sweet Bunny with gumball. Have the cotton candy and lemon. What is this one? And then we have the Funfetti. The Funfetti jelly beans. I have another bag of, I'm telling you guys, I like really went crazy. The sweet tart jelly beans. Skittles. Impossible Egg Hunt Skittles. What else? And then we have the Nerd Ropes Easter candy. And then also Space Animal stickers. Some little stickers. What else do I have? 46 pieces of candy in there. Nerds. Gob Stoppers. Crunch. Butter Fingers. More Nerds. Going back upstairs because I know I have more stuff, okay? It's just a few things. This is the Happy Easter plates for dinner and then for desserts. And then, of course, some egg dye. This is a unicorn color. I know my baby girl gonna love that one. And then I had to get a classic one too, you know. And then I got them some Peeps pencils. So this is the Fancy Henry gumball. These are gumball dispenser. I got 2 different colors. And then I also got the Happy Easter carrots, the chocolate lentils. That's all of everything. I'm going to go back over it again so you guys can see them. These are so cute. So it says Happy Easter. This is cute. This one says Some Bunny Loves You, okay? So we have everything. Yes, I have this big old melon sitting in here because it was getting in my way on the counter. And I'm not ready to cut it yet, and I don't have a lot of fruit in there, so I might as well just throw it in there. Yeah, you guys, so that's everything that's going to go in the baskets. I feel like we're going to have a lot left over. That's going to be what we do. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys a little bit later. We're going to finish up with the Easter baskets. And yeah, we're going to finish up with them. We want to do the Easter baskets early because we're going to be doing a lot of stuff on that day, cooking and everything. And then they'll be ready for Sunday. We're finished with them, you guys. Look it. Have the little Peeps pencils, bunnies, candy stuff to the hilt down in there for a good big surprise. And then here's the other one. We have the headbands hanging off the side. Russell Stouffer's. The little bunny hanging on for dear life. And all of the candy packed in there for a surprise. So I'm going to hide these in my closet. This one is also being made into a Easter basket as well. And we're going to have one more for the center of the table. Thing is, I can't even post this to my Instagram to show a peep of it because my baby girls follow me. So they'll be looking to get a peep, but I want to surprise them, so